If control points need to be added, tap Add Control Point on the right side of the SmartGo interface and enter the control point name. Then align the tip of the device handle with the control point, keep it stable, and tap Confirm to complete the collection. There is no requirement for device orientation when collecting control points. Both upright and horizontal positions are acceptable. However, still need to mention, movements such as squatting and standing should be performed smoothly during collection. Avoid people blocking the front of the device during control point collection. At least 4 control points are required to complete coordinate transformation for a single project. It is recommended to distribute control points evenly across the survey area and avoid placing them in a straight line. After collection, the control point times list allows you to view and delete collected control points. After scanning is complete, tap the orange button on the left to stop data collection. The device will automatically generate a real-time last point cloud file for the current project. The point cloud data will be stored in the SLAM data folder of the original project. Once the project is saved, the device can be powered off.